the truck is moving. There are many kinds of animals in this truck. Look how's the truck moving. It goes forward, comes backward. So this is the aquatic animals truck. Let's halt it. Oh, let's park it here. Oh, this truck has 8 wheels. And these are the horns. And there's a crew inside it. That's the front of the truck. And the driver is right here driving the truck. Like this. Alright, so let's look inside the truck. Let's open the door and have a look inside. Oh, that's a tortoise. And next we have a frog. It's a beautiful green frog. He's got big eyes. Hey, here's a starfish. This looks pretty too. Then we have the clownfish. It swims like this in the water. I love swimming. Let's take all the animals outside now. Oh, this is a duckling. It's very cute. The duckling also swims in the water like this. Let's keep it here. This is a puffer fish. There are blue lines on it. Very attractive. Let's keep it here. Now this is a crab. Look at the eyes of the crab. These are the pincers and these are the legs. Let's keep it here with the frog. Let's keep it here. And finally, we have an octopus. You see the 8 tentacles? The octopus uses them to make movements. It can swim in the water, walk on the tentacles, as well as grab the prey. Isn't that fantastic? So now we'll put all the animals back in so that they can be taken to the aquarium. Alright then, let's put them back. That's the frog. Then the crab. Now goes the puffer fish. The duckling. The orange clownfish. The attractive tortoise. The octopus. And the starfish. Let's close the door. Yay! We're on our way to the aquarium, where these animals are going to swim and have a home. Bye-bye! Hello, friends! Now we have sea animals. The knowledge bank, too. Let's see what's inside. Let's take this puzzle today. Let's open the bag and take it out. Separate separate all the pieces. Alright, so let's get started. Let's see what fits in where. We got two pieces here. That's the head of the animal. Let's see which one is this. We got another piece. We need to find the body. Let's figure out. Alright, that's here. It fits in. Well, we have the seahorse. Let's find the piece which completes the name. That's the seahorse. Let's move on to the next one. We got it. That's a starfish. I know that's a fish. Let's see which one this is. It's a dolphin. Yay! We got our dolphin. Let's see which one's this. This is a crab. Let's find a piece with this tiny leg. That's the one. Let's see what's next. This fits in here. And that looks like a whale. Yay! It's a whale. Alright, so we've completed the whale. Let's see what's next. Looks like an octopus to me. Well, there it is. It's an octopus. It has 8 tentacles. Let's move to the next one. It's a tortoise. Wow! It's a beautiful looking tortoise. And the last one is seal. So we completed the puzzle of sea animals. Yay! Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.